Patrick at Pals Travel Trailers. People use them all the time. Why is this one here? Well, it's here for the same reason the boat trailer's here, but it's different. Instead of getting wet, these bearings just go down the road, and you need to service them. And a good rule of thumb with any trailer is to service your wheel bearings once a year. That'll preserve your axle and give you peace of mind going down the road. The other thing we check is the condition of the tires. You know, a lot of times on trailers like this, the tires sit a lot and they get dry rot and on the tires. So you really need to check the condition of the tires, because the last thing you want going down the road is a blowout. The other thing that you don't want going down the road is for bearing failure or axle failure. Preventative maintenance stops that, and that's what this customer's doing. They're bringing it in. It doesn't have a problem. They just want to prevent a problem. They want us to go through, check the tires. They want us to check the bearings and repack them. So we're going to take them apart, repack those wheel bearings, check to make sure that everything is working properly so that when they go on the road trip, they won't have a problem. If you've got a travel trailer, bring it to Pals for regular maintenance. See you soon.